What is camping? Before we start, let's watch this video. Camping. Camping is a form of outdoor recreation or outdoor education involving overnight stays with a basic temporary shelter, such as tent. Camping can also include a recreational vehicles, sheltered cabins, a permanent tent, a shelter such as bivy or trap, or no shelter at all. Typically, participants leave developed areas to spend time outdoors in pursuit of activities providing them enjoyment or in a form of educational experience, spending the night away from the home, distinguish camping from day tripping, picnicking, and other outdoors activities. Proponent of camping. Si Thomas Hiram Holding ang itinagurian na ama ng modern camping. Isinulat niya ang The Camper's Handbook noong 1908 at itinatag ang unang camping club at ang Caravaning Club. Kailan nga ba sumikat ang camping? Noong early 1900s, naging popular ang camping sa kadilahanan ng scouting movements and outdoor groups. Noong 1960s and to 1980s, nag-rise in commercial campsite and national park tourism. 2000s present, digital naman si glamping and survivalist camping trends. At paano naman ginagawa ang camping?
Choose a campsite, public campground, national parks, or private sites. Set up a shelter, tent, hammock, RV, or trap. Prepare food and supplies. Portable stove, non-perishable foods, and cooking gear. Enjoy activities, hiking, fishing, bonfires, and stargazing. Follow leave no trace principle. Respect nature and clean up.
Dumako naman tayo sa mga camp equipment. Shelter, tent, sleeping bag, and ground mat. Sa pagluluto naman ay portable stove, utensils, and cooler. Sa clothing, weather appropriate layer boots. Sa navigations, map, compass, and GPS. Sa miscellaneous naman ay flashlight, multi-tool, and first aid kit. Na pinakamalaga sa lahat,
Safety measures in camping. Plan ahead. Check weather, forecast, and emergency contacts. Pack a first aid kit. Include band-aid, antiseptic, and medication. Wildlife. Precaution. Store food properly. Avoid feeding animals. Fire safety. Use designated fire pits. Fully extinguish fires. Stay hydrated and aware. Bring clean water.
must remember in camping. Ang camping is a rewarding outdoor aktibidad na nag-o-offer ng adventure, relaxations, and survival skills. With a proper preparation and respect for nature, it can be safe and enjoyable experience. And that's all about camping. Adios!